Winter ice storm 2022. You're stuck. You're not going anywhere. It's just me and the deer today. Met one neighbor out checking it out. Luckily, we still have power. Try to go slow so I don't hit a road patch, but it's pretty much solid ice. But there's some water flow, so I have hit the pavement once. Thank God these skates are 40 years old. So Bauer, if you want to send those new custom molded fitted clamp-ons to test out, I'll be glad to rip and run on this road. Time to retire these CCMs, baby. Look at this. Just a sheet of ice. I can skate pretty much anywhere I want. I'm gonna go get some water and see how far I can go today. It's starting to rain, so it might melt. It might slush up. I think I've done the damage to the blades anyway. You went nuts though? Alright, y'all. Stay tuned for the updates. I'll get to them as soon as we thaw out.